So you're looking to install Hyper-V on Windows 10. Good news is it's pretty straightforward. So what we are looking at right here is Microsoft's documentation on requirements. You need Windows 10 Enterprise, Pro, or Education. It cannot be installed on Home or mobile. I don't see these too often, but Home is pretty common. If you do have Home, you can upgrade it through this process. As far as hardware requirements, you need a 64-bit processor with second-level address translation, SLAT. This is in Kaby Lake and newer, so Gen 7 Intel and newer, as well as Zen 2 and newer on the AMD side. CPU support for VTX on the Intel side. Some of the lower-end processors, maybe some of the i3s, but for sure some of the Celerons and Atoms will not have VTX. You cannot run virtualization, even if it has second-level address translation. And then, according to Microsoft, 4 gigs of memory. I would never recommend running Hyper-V with 4 gigs as a minimum on the host, probably 8. 16 is recommended. Memory is pretty cheap as of right now when I'm producing this video, which is early 2023. So if you check all these boxes, how do we actually get it installed? So what we're going to do is hit the Windows key, go over to search, and type in Hyper-V. And you'll see here, turn Windows features on or off. We're going to click that. And then right here, you can see Hyper-V is not checked. So we're going to click that, and it just installs management and platform. Click OK. Once we click OK, it's going to start searching for those files, whether they're local or it has to download them from the internet. It's going to start the install and configuration process, and then it's going to ask us to reboot. So Windows has completed the requested changes. Let's restart. Okay, so we are back. My box has rebooted. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to that search bar. We're going to type in Hyper-V again, and you'll notice now we get Hyper-V Manager as an application we can run. So we will click that. Let that window load, and you'll see the Hyper-V Manager was empty there just for a second, and then Design Studio-0 popped up. So that's this computer that I'm working on. I can click into that, and that is my Hyper-V server, if you will. From here, we can do quick create. We can create a new VM, import a virtual machine, settings, etc., etc. For the intents of this video, Hyper-V is now installed. I hope that was helpful, and have a good day.